Hi everybody, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. In this video, I'll show you how to use a tree diagram to figure out probability. Okay, so you're off to play a soccer game and you love being a goalkeeper, but it depends on who's coaching for the day. Okay, so here we are. We're going to show up to game day. And so we're going to show up to game day, and it is either going to be Coach Sam coaching or Coach Alex coaching. Okay, so the first, when we're labeling the tree diagram, we would say, okay, so here is game day. We'll go out to the game. And then what is going to happen? Coach Sam or Coach Alex will be coaching. You have two coaches, right? And your chance of being a goalie or not depends on who's coaching. So Coach Sam coaches more often. About 6 out of 10 games he would be coaching. So 6 out of 10 games he would be coaching. That means Alex would coach 4 out of 10 games. Okay. And then if Sam is coaching, the probability of you being in goal is 0.5. And what is 0.5 in terms of a fraction? It's a half, right? So you could say 1 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Just go ahead and I'm going to do that. 0.5 mean that's 1 decimal place. So it's out of 10. And then the probability of you not being in goal would be the other half, or 5 out of 10. Okay. And then the probability of you being in goal when Alex is coaching is 0.3, which is 3 out of 10. That means not being in goal would be 7 out of 10. Now, the question is asking, if you show up at this game today, what's the probability of you being in goal? Well, the probability of you being in goal, well, which of these branches would lead you to be in goal? Goalkeeper would be this branch here, or this branch here. Okay, so you could be goalkeeper here and here. All right, so the probability of that happening would be if Sam is coaching, and then plus the probability if Alex is coaching. So the probability of you being a goalie is going to be, and this is successive events, right? So we would multiply. It would be 6 out of 10 multiplied by 5 out of 10. That is when Sam is coaching, or, right, when Sam is coaching, or when Alex is coaching. So that would be or, that would be addition right there. When Alex is coaching, you would have a probability of 4 out of 10 multiplied by successive event, right? Who's coaching and what's the probability of me being in goal? And that would be successive events, so we would multiply. And we could be in goal when Sam is coaching or when Alex is coaching. Okay, so those are the two scenarios, so we would add. Okay, so that would be when we multiply fractions straight across over 100, and that would be 30 plus over 100, and this would be 12. So the probability of you being a goalie at any given game is going to be, when we add fraction, we would keep the denominator the same, which is 100. Okay, good thing that it has the same denominator, and that is why I kept it as over 10 consistently, so that I can have a common denominator. But if not, you find that common denominator before you add. Okay, so that would be 42 out of 100, or we would say that would be 42%. Now, in this case, it may be good to use percentage as your probability rather than a fraction, but it's up to you. It depends on the audience who you're talking to, or you could say, 42 out of 100 games you would be a goalie. That's the probability. So, either way, fraction or decimal, depending on who you're talking to. All right. And that is it. And that's how we use a tree diagram to figure out probability.